Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to change language in Outlook.com. It's a very easy thing to do. First, and go to their official website of Outlook. Then, sign in to your account. After signing in, go to the settings by click on the gear icon from the top right. Then you will see settings here. Select general settings. Now you will see this there are language and time settings. From here, select a language, country or region. You can select your preferred language from here. So it's that's easy. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.